We're going to take you through how to use Identity Cloak's auto redaction with and without auto tracking. Identity Cloak's default setting is to automatically blur any faces within your video. If you wish to have everyone redacted, all you need to do is click Next in the bottom right-hand corner. This will then allow you to change your degree of blur. However, if you wish to keep someone in the clear, you do this before clicking on Next. If you do click Next by mistake, you will find that you'll have a previous button on the next screen to go back. If you wish for somebody to remain in the clear, you can do this using our auto tracking feature. This feature will save you time, as you aren't having to click on the person for every frame. To use the auto tracking, go to the right-hand panel and tick the auto tracking box. Then click the New button underneath the checkbox. At the top of the right-hand panel, you have a radius slider. We recommend that you make the radius of your circle match the size of the person's head. If the size of their head changes whilst tracking the person, Identity Cloak will automatically adjust. Once you have clicked Checkbox, New button, and set the size of the circle, go back to the main part of the screen and click on your person's head at the point they first appear. The video will now play frame by frame and track the person. If the video stops playing, it is due to Identity Cloak no longer being able to track your person. This could be as they have lowered their head down, so we can only see their hair with no identifiable facial features. All you need to do is click on their head again, and auto-tracking will match up to the previous tracking. Once your clip has finished tracking the person, go to the right-hand panel and click Save. This will save the track for you. If you need to have multiple people kept in the clear, you will need to run through the same steps for each individual person. You will then be left with a track for each person that you wish to have in the clear. Once you have tracked each person you wish to keep in the clear, click Next at the bottom of the screen. This will then take you through to the second redaction working screen. Thank you for watching.